All right, welcome to ProJack's weekly webinar 219, August 6th. All right, so let's just do a quick review. Okay, so last week we have the gold that come into this supporting area of 14,000. Okay, and we said this is a good support from this level. All right, and I'm asking you guys to find opportunities to short from here. Okay, and this short makes some money. Okay, and when it comes to this structural breakout, it actually found a new support from the 1432, which is at non-farm payroll day is here. This is non-farm payroll day, which is last Friday, and I organized our live session, live streaming session, but that is for our Mandarin version, and we capture some beautiful trade on that day. And this is a beautiful structural breakout and pullback, and then the gold actually rallied to 1470. And in this today's Monday opening, the gold actually have a very strong gap, which is here. Okay, which is here. So this gap was formed this morning at 6 a.m. in the Asia time, and then it's quickly filled, and then we find a pullback opportunity to sell from 1467. So again, this is a very nice trade that gives us about $10 move from 1468 to 1456. Okay, and now the gold is rally back again. So let's just check the latest move. All right, so the 618 is already hit. So if you want to short the gold again, please do so. You can take a short from 1467 and a stop loss above 1474. Okay, because this is a reversal patterns. Okay, because the price has already put a double top or multiple tops. The neckline was one time broken. Okay, the neckline was broken. Now it's pulled back. So as long as the gold cannot break the new high, it will come down. Okay, it will come down. So this gives us this 30 minutes 2618 trade. Okay, which is the double top is like this. Okay, a small double top, pull back by 618, and the 1467.72 is okay for you to take a sell, and you can even sell more at 1471. All right. Actually sell limit. I put some sell limit here at this wick here. Do you see this wick? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 candles sitting on above this 1475.52, and then it was break down, and this level is still fresh. The fresh means after the price break out this place, it hasn't been tested. So there were a lot of selling orders pending here, waiting to sell the high. Okay, so we want to sell the pullback, and alternatively, we can make a study from this volume profile. Okay, so we can just use this volume profile, and you can see that the very highly weighted volume is centralized at 1473, this level here. Okay, so there are a lot of exchange, there are a lot of volumes. So these volumes, we are going to make some rejections of the gold's rally. So get ready to sell the gold high from here. Okay, because the and we can observe another pair, which is dollar yen. Look at the dollar yen. Dollar yen has a very strong rally today. Okay, it formed a pin bar here, right? And then it has a very strong 4-hour engulfing candles telling you guys that dollar yen is making a bottoms. Okay, and we go for the daily chart. We can also see the dollar yen is at a very low location that is formed from 218 March, right? And this place is tested and rallied very well. So dollar yen, it is likely to make this garlic patterns, right, and already completed. So we check everything is already fit into the criteria, right? The 1.272 extension is at 105.80. Then it just touched and forms a very nice strong rally. So the dollar yen goes up And if the dollar yen go up, basically means the risk off will come. Okay, because we understand from the S&P as well, the S&P also dropped quickly to a 2,800 level. Okay, and don't forget in last webinar that we actually I told you guys to short the S&P from 3018. Do you remember? Right, this is the last time we short the S&P. If you checked my last webinar, I said we can short the neckline, and this is really beautiful move. Okay, and one of my students, Teddy, makes 40,000 K from this trade. Okay, 40,000 K Sing dollar. Congratulations, and I do really want to emphasize that the trading is not about 100% correct or 100% accuracy. It's about when you want to win, can you win big, right? When you want to sell the high, right? Actually, you can, if you understand from my last quite a few weeks, I'm keep telling you guys to finding shorting opportunities for the S&P, right? We short from here the same patterns, right? This is also the same patterns. Double top, neckline pullback, sell, we catch a nice trend, sell again, nice trade, right? And then this trade, okay, is also going to work. We sell again, and sell again. Then it's just a waterfall. All right. So how many of you guys take this trade from my last webinar? Nicholas, right? Okay. Yeah, Carlos, right? Do you feel the power of this topping patterns, right? This top formation patterns, right? It really give you you cannot believe that how can the market drops so big? How can the Trump announce the trading war? You know, you don't know, you never know, right? But the thing is, we have to trade what you see. You never know how big the reward the market gives you, right? All right. Good. So again, so based on the things that we have, right? So although the gold is now going up, but we are not afraid, we are not scared, right? It's just you know, I cannot wait when the gold pull back, because when it pulls back to this area, I will get a very decent price to short the gold, right? And I'm risking only this much. Okay, I'm only risking this this much, but in exchange of, all right, 2 times or 4 times or even maybe 10 times of reward. Okay, who's if you watch the patterns carefully, you can see that if the gold make a reversal from here, right, the possible target is about 1415 or 1407, right? This is what I'm looking for, because as I said, I want to give you guys those good ideas, those good trading ideas that can either lose small or win big, right? How to lose small and win big. This is the correct strategy, okay? We are risking this much in exchange of this much. So the reward and risk ratio is about 14 times, right? So you just need to get ready when the gold, you know, come into this area, okay? We are not afraid of this rally because we understand this, the institutional players are selling from here, okay? And the big ABCD patterns already completed, okay? This is a very nice ABCD patterns, okay? So you can see here that the multiple ABCD already completed. This one already completed, right? See here, about a 1452, and this one also completed. Okay, this one is also completed, right? Same place, okay? And the recent move from here is also completed. So all these ABCD patterns tells me that the gold is having significant resistance from 1450 levels, all right? Okay, so that's why I'm very interested to find any bearish patterns to participate in for the next trend. Because normally when ABCD pattern completed, it will actually tells you that the bulls has used up all the energies, right? Just like last time when you see this ABCD patterns, right? There's a lot of ABCD patterns in the last decades, because You can see here, this ABCD patterns works very well, right? After ABCD, a strong reversal, right? And there is also another ABCD patterns, which is here, right? So this historical data told us that ABCD patterns comes, something will happen, right? Even including this one, ABCD patterns, okay? Something happened, right? And also this one, this big ABCD move also makes very, very decent prediction of the reversal here, right? And there's another ABCD here, okay? So you can see that gold likes to work in this way. And don't forget, when the last time in the 2016, after the pre-exit, right, I made an analysis on the gold for the ABCD patterns that I said we can sell the gold from 1366, right, from here. At the time, people don't understand. Oh, this is very strong. This is strong bullish trend. You see, very strong and pre-exit, blah blah. Right, and a lot of people says, I want to buy the gold. The gold will go to 1,500, go to 2,000. I said ABCD patterns tells me I don't want to buy here. If I want to buy, I would like to buy at the low. For example, somewhere here or somewhere before the rallies. Okay, so this ABCD also makes a lot of money. Okay, drop from 1360 to 1120. So my job is here to just tell you guys that the gold, the behavior of the gold, and what actually we can do. Okay, so if you understand the idea, the logic of ABCD patterns, right, you should be very, very alertive or very, very interested to join this trade. So let me just do a quick survey. How many of you guys would like to take this trade? We sell from this ABCD point, we sell from the 618 and ready to sell from 1471. And all we need to do is to put our stop loss about 1476. All right, if breaks new high, that's it. We just simply exit the trade, okay, and find another opportunities, just like S&P, right? Of course, the price won't just come down by one straight fall, right? Look at the S&P. How many times we have been shorting S&P, right? We short a lot of times. Okay, from here, and every time we sell, we make a lot of money, right? But all we need to do is to focus on the patterns that we recognize and trade what you see. Okay, trade what you see. You will never know will the gold behave like something like this. Right, because you can see S&P strong rally, right? Maybe it is a V shape, or maybe there's also a secondary test cannot break new low, and then the S&P just goes very crazily all the back to 3,000. Maybe, who knows? But the fact is, you need to understand why are you in this trade, right? Why do you want to sell the high? Because the gold has already completed multiple ABCD patterns and all tells you that 1452 to 1476, there is something here, right? Something may happen here, and we are okay to find this selling trade, okay, to use this much risk, right, in exchange of this reward, right? The target 1 will give you a 14 times reward. Target 2, maybe even more. Okay, we go to 1360. Okay, 1360, because the gold after breaking this point hasn't retested the structure yet. So normally when ABCD comes, right, from what we know that, right, if this ABCD patterns works, it will goes to at least minimally 382, right? The second target will be 1281, okay, to the origin of the start of the bullish point. Right, that's how institutional players plays, because they bought a lot of gold here, and then when the market goes crazy, when the risk event, when the risk off event happens, like the trading war, like the Japan, the South Korea, this kind of things, that people are scared and the money are flowing out of this risky or categories into those bonds or gold or the risk havens, right? This thing will happens. And then the retail traders have to buy the gold at a very, very high place. And then that's how the institutional players made money. They buy here and sell to those guys who buy the gold at high. And then the gold will just crash to here, and all those people who buy from here will be stopped and they will cut loss, and the price will go up again. All right, so this is how I see this market, and what I believe the trading philosophy is, okay? We just need to trade what we see. So everyone understand. If you understand my trading philosophy, give me 5, right? I need to know that you are following me not by following only my trade. You're also following by my mindset, by my logic. All right, good. So let's going on. Let's move on. So the DXY has a nice rally last week after the Fed's cutting rate, right? And if you receive my trading alerts from my students group, both Chinese and both international groups, I tell you guys that 98.67 has some rejections, and we do find a very nice pin bar here, and now the DXY come all the way back to here. Okay, so this is a beautiful move that we captured from last week. Okay, so as you can see, the dollar yen drops a lot, the gold rally, the sterling the euro rally, sterling rally, a lot of things rally, right? So from this point of view, I will ask you guys, okay, try not to buy the DXY at this place because it has already completed this neckline retest. Okay, 99 is touched, and now the price is in a consolidation. Why I say consolidation? Because here you can see there's a long-term trend line support here, and this is a squeezing patterns, right? Squeezing patterns. So the room for the DXY is not very big. It's not very big. You want to join the English group? Sorry, only paid members will join. All right. Okay, so here when the price come back to this trend line, you may support it. All right, so 97 has some support, and then the price will consolidate a little bit, and then it depends on the euro. Okay, if the ECB going to cut the rate, going to make some more QE, and the DXY may have another rally. All right, that's how I see the market. But 99 is still very, very strong resistance level. I don't want you guys to, buy the high. Okay, so go back to 1 hour chart. You can see here is huge rally, and then all the way come down to 97. Okay, in 4 hour chart, what we can see, the DXY has already pulled back 618%. Oh, sorry, not yet. All right, so get ready at 97. All right, so when price come to 97, the DXY may have some support. All right, do not buy DXY now. Okay, you can try sell from here again, 98.77. Right, that will be good. Okay, all right, so let's move on. So let's go for the euro. Okay, the euro has a nice strong rally from here, and the looks like something already making engulfing from here. That is a V shape. Okay, so the V shape comes immediately. What we're going to do is want to check the price section of the neckline. Okay, and you want to buy from here, but get ready to buy from here and here. So what you can do is you can use the 618 for you to get a very nice place. So maybe 1.1112. Okay, and of course we have already used this place last time because I said if 1.11 is taken, right, it's here. When this place is broken and pulled back and is retest and stand above this level, means another rally is coming. So now it's 1.1160 is becoming support. So get ready to buy the euro from this area. Okay, I'm trying to find your reciprocal ABCD patterns. Right, this is what I said, reciprocal ABCD, because this is the latest move of the A and B. All right, this is a potential reversal or potential correction from here. So that forms a reciprocal ABCD patterns. right? It tells you you want to buy the low from 1.113. All right, and you want to check this volume profile. Yeah, it's here. You see, this place is becoming the highly controlled area for from the buyers. Okay, so 1.1120 or 1.1100 is good for you guys to check whether you want to buy the euro or not. Very good. Yeah. So everyone understand how to trade the euro already? Good. Move on, sterling. Okay, sterling has forming bottoms here. Okay, so in the 1 hour chart, the price already dropped to 1.2090. Let me just highlight that 1.2010 is something here. It's something in the significant low place. Okay, that is the origin of the starting point of the bullish move of the sterling from 1.221 all the way to 1.43. Okay, so this place already touched and the price sitting very nice. So I want you guys to focus on these great opportunities to long the sterling from here, right? Again, we are risking only this much, but the potential rally will surprise you, okay? My long-term target is about 1.38. That is my long-term target. Right? Of course, if you want to join this long-term trade, you have to really hold for maybe years, right? But that doesn't matter. That is a beautiful move of a potential like how many percent? 13%. Okay, 13% move, which is 10,000 pips. Okay, 10,000 pips. Yeah. 1.20 to 1.38. Sorry, it's 1800. Yeah, 1,800 pips. If by only trading one lot, you're earning 18K US dollar. Anyone want to join this trade? Sterling dollar. We're not afraid of the ProJack issues because this place is really good to buy. Big money. This is a big money trade. You want to join? Yeah. I don't want to guess the market and when the sterling will, fly, or whether sterling will break new low. No, if the trade break new low, right? Let's just live. Just live. You're just risking this much. Okay, we spend some money. Okay, we spend some money, put some risk on this trade, and this is just like when you anyone here playing pokers. No, I cannot speak Chinese for this session because this is international webinar, right? If you want to see the Chinese webinar, you can go to jetedu.com. Every night you can, have one free session. You play poker, right? So if you play Texas poker, right? Every round you have to either to follow. Okay, you have to you can race or you can just follow. But you have to put some money, put some risk. If you just give up, you'll never join to the next round. Okay, so what I'm saying is this is the risk that you're going to take. So small, it's less than 200 pips, but in exchange of 1,800 pips. Are you ready for this? This kind of a price normally won't happen, within 5 years. You see, last time it's 217, it's 219, right? And then before that, the sterling has never been this low before, okay? Since 2001, it's never been such low before. So I think, yeah, you should really take advantage of this beautiful price. Get yourself involved, right? This could make you rich. All right. Nicholas, do you want to take the trade? Yeah. And for those people who are using handphones to watch, right, please turn off your camera, because I don't think you want to, let other people to see your face, see you drinking coffee or what, right? Just to remember to turn off your camera, because we don't need to use camera. All right, good. So move on. Dollar yen already said okay, 105.80. Good. The morning patterns already completed, so fine pullback to buy. From 30-minute charts, right? Beautiful move. One strike, two strike, and if you want to buy the 618, that will be good. It's a 106.811. Okay, try to get this dollar yen trade. All right, good. Okay, Aussie. All right, Aussie. We bought a trade here last Friday. Okay, I make some money. Okay, and then this was rejected from this structure here, from this broken structure here. Okay, and still bearish until today. It forms the double bottoms, right? So this double bottoms actually make some sense, because first of all, these double bottoms are formed in a very low locations. But do take note that the Aussie has the interest rate decisions, right? It may cut rate. However, this this drop is very strong. Okay, so until now, if you want to try to buy the Aussie, you have to set your stop loss here. Okay, low 0.6744. Okay, and when can we confirm that Aussie has make a reversal is when you have to see the price to break out and pull back. See this kind of patterns. Trying to buy from here again. Use the trend line broken part 618 pullback strategy to catch the next move. Someone is asking the Dow Jones, right? US 30. Okay, the Dow Jones will be the similar idea of the S&P. The price has testing the neckline here, okay, 200. It's good support from the neckline here. If you look left here, so good to buy from here. And now the price already moves up. So trying to go to 1 hour chart, you can see the price just keeps moving, right? So get ready to buy the pullback. Right, well, if you pull back to 618 will help you. Best place still this 25400 will be this level. Buy the Dow Jones again. And that's how you can buy low and sell high. Good. Dollar Canadian, right? Strong rally, okay, still strong rally, and looks like a trend continuation. Beautiful move, retest the neckline, and then we earned a lot of money from here, right? Remember, for the past 2 weeks, I'm keep to tell you guys to buy the dollar Canadian, right? And then market has to make another flag patterns here. This is the flag patterns. Okay, good. This flag was broken the breakup, right? It goes to 1.33 here, right? So trying to catch this move, right? Just like what I did in the last 2 weeks, right? We want to try to catch the entire move from here to here, right? That's why I ask you guys to buy the dollar Canadian things 1.3050, right? Okay, good. Let's move on to Kiwi. Okay, Kiwi are testing their previous low here. Okay, nice test off here. Then the price moves up, but we have another the New Zealand interest rate decision this week. Okay? So just to trying to make use of the news event to buy the low, right? Buy the low. Today already retested. So as long as 0.65 is sustained, you can buy some Kiwi. All right. Hi, Jovi. You're eating something? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, I cannot hear you because I have removed your microphone. Yeah. Jovi is my Hong Kong student. I'm very proud of him because he's a professional trader right now. Are you going? Are you coming to Shanghai? Yeah. Let me turn your mic. Jovi, are you coming to Shanghai this month?
Yeah. I'm planning to go to the Shanghai.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. If you come, just let me know. Right.
Okay.
Okay. So let's move on to what else? Okay, Bitcoin maybe. Yeah. So Bitcoin, right? Our trade here is very, very beautiful. Anyone who bought from 9,006 or 10,000? Anyone? If you bought from here, you already earn about 2K. Yeah, take some profit. All right, take some profit. Because the price already touched the resistance here. All right. It's actually stronger than what I expect. It passed the 618 place, touched the 786, and it's still bullish trend. So if the price can sitting above 11500, it may have another rally from here. Test 12700. All right. The key resistance will be here. Right, will be here. Just get ready to take all of your profit from here, and you may look some patterns to sell as well. Right. So number one, take some profit before the market drop. Yeah, it's a bet. Correct. All right. There's a bet here. Okay. So this bet pattern will help us to making our taking profit point since we buy low, and we want to buy the low because it's second try but failed to bring new low. And it's the entire still an uptrend move, and now it's in a big time frame. What I see here, this consolidation, right? If you look left, this kind of consolidation will be quite similar of this one, right? Strong move, M shape, right? Coming back to the same here, right? Second test will kind of break new low and then move up all the way. Okay. Okay. Similar, right? Yeah. So if you are a firm believer of this crypto market, right, BTC is definitely something you want to hold, right? So our strategy is to buy the low and hold some BTC and take some profit, right, and hold some coins at your hand and to enjoy the next rally. Okay, coming back to oil. Oil, same thing. Will be the neckline test. And although the price come back to here, but just get ready to buy the oil. Okay, buy the oil of the ABCD patterns, right? Okay, so the oil may have some support from 53 or 52.61. Watch here as well. Okay, so make use of these ABCD patterns to give you opportunities to buy the low. Buy the low. Okay. So oil, I want you guys to focus on buy the low. Okay, 53 or 52.60 will be the best. If you want to sell, right, try to use this place, 59.95. Okay, do not use this place because this place is formed not at a very high location. This reversal trade, the price drops very sharp. Normally when the big red candles inside these big red candles, actually there's left very few orders. Okay, because when you see the volume profile, right, you can see here, like, see inside, look left, inside this big red candle, right, there's nothing. There's no accumulation of the orders, selling orders, right? That's why the market easily pulls back to 56. Now, by the time when oil makes rally, right, it will easily take all the way of this red candle will come to this place, 57.82. Right? That's why I want you guys to focus on buying the low of the oil. Okay, but you want to buy at 52.60. That's best ABCD point here. Okay, and look left. Look left. Yeah, neckline is here. The neckline is here. Right. This is already very close to the last time the origin point of this entire rally. So buy the low of the oil. All right. Yeah, the gold has already completed. Not yet. 1471 touched. Oh yeah, 1471 touched. Yes, let's go. Let's do it. All right. Perfect. Just touched. All right. How many of you guys take the trade? Good. Yep. Again, I cannot guarantee you that this trade is 100% correct. So do not risk more than 2% of the trade. Right? Do not risk more than 2%. Right? Make sure you only lose the small money. But if we work, right, this trade turns out to be a good trade, it will give maybe 4% or 8% or maybe 10% gains. Right? That's it. Yeah. If I want, I mean, definitely this trade I'm going to take whenever it formed. If the chart gives me 100 times, I will trade 100 times. And guess what? Okay, this pattern, okay, is 100% trade pattern, which means out of 100 times, okay, I will trade 100 times. I only need half of them to be correct, right? And every time my reward is 2 to 1 risk at least. And just by keeps trading this patterns again, keeps trading this pattern again, right? It's either a minus 2%, okay, or plus 4%, right? You choose. -2, +4, -2, +8, or -2, +6. Right? You think your trading result is something like this, right? You don't need to be 100% right, 100% right. Okay, you can steal by making lots of money. All right, good. Last but not least, I'm still because my trading competition is still going on. So I've already put this the international traders can join this top trader competition. Okay, you can compete with those Chinese traders as well. Right? And let me just show you these videos. Right, it's a good video. Oh, sorry. I think I need to. Oh yeah, it's here. Let me just share the video to you. Yes, you can see the ranks.
叫陈静，我是从广州过来的。
来自广州的玉凯，
我叫冷家顺，来自青岛。
我叫李顺阳，来自上海。
通过这个比赛能实现他们心中的这样的一个渴望财富自由，然后渴望通过专业的知识来赚取这个利润的这样一个梦想。他们是我们10月、11、12月份3个月的这个线上这样的前6名，都获得了将近200%、100%这种收益率。Last time now, years broker's history, so it's very good. All right, so I think that's all of today. Really thank you guys for coming, and I think we have a lot of trades to be set up in the plan your trade and trade your plan. Okay, so see you next time. Yeah, sorry, I forgot to put these links here. So the links will be here. Okay, you can just join the link. Just click the register button and start filling your details. If you do not have a trading account, you can click on the register account, and then you'll be joining the rank. Let's just see what are they doing in the first type of traders. Okay, looks good. That this traders has already boost up their capital from $2,000 US to 2,400, which is 21% exchange, and only after 3 trades. All right, very good. Second place is about 6%. Right, they just start about 2 trades, 6%. The third one is 2.67 trades. Well, 38 trade. A lot of trades. Then the fourth place is 1.64, and then all the 5 from the 5th to the 10th are all negative. All negative, but I think they are still, they're trying to get some opportunities to boost up their account, right? So let's see on our end of this month. I will get some data from the traders and trying to explore one of them to show you guys, see what to analyze his behavior and see what has he done, right? So I also published this trading elements so that we can understand what is their risk ratio, what their overall ratings, the average loss, average profit, and the highest pullback win ratio, something like that. Right, so we can understand how they behave, and we can are trying to learn from their behavior. All right, so thank you for coming. So see you next time. Go to doing well. All right, so let's get ready to either small loss or big win. So see you next time. Bye bye.